if you're on the stage, you're thinking, Freddy, what's gonna happen next? If I fill up this form, is it Freddy gonna send me a bunch of automation text message and bother and fill up my inbox emails and my texts and texting to me every second? I gotta tell you, you're right. You're not wrong. I will be sending you some automatizations, and the reason is to help you out, but I will not be sending you every minute. Actually, it will be 4 messages in total, will be in about 4 days in total. If you can say stop at any time. The whole idea with this is I'm gonna send information in advance so you know who I am, you deserve to know who I stand for, how do I do my job, and how can I make this very easy process for you. The only way to find out is if I send you videos in advance, so you get to see this on your pace, on your time. But I will be sending you some text, and the only way I can get to more people is if I automate some of that part. But that doesn't mean that I don't care about you. I do care a lot. That's why I make sure I can inform you, I can give you all that information. So anyway, you are here already. What's gonna happen next? Hey, I'm Freddy from Remodeling, and that book right there, I love that. It's from Tommy Mello, Build a Business Where Everybody Wins. I want you to get the best experience. So, and to make sure that happens, I need to build a business, and the only way to do that is using everything we have on hands. Alright, so form is just name your form. What's gonna happen next? Once you fill up the form, you're gonna send my text from us, and also my partner Patricia, she's going to contact you and schedule a call with me. We'll talk to you and we'll have an open, honest conversation. Hey, what's your goals? How can I help you? My goal is understanding you, the reason behind your renovation, what's making you to do this. So from there I can guide you, I can give the right answer, I can give the right solution for your problem. I don't want to sell you anything at this point. I'm just trying to find out if I do have the solution for your problem. If I do not have, I will be honestly tell you, I'm sorry, but I do not have that option. But I can even share where you can get that, we can get a solution. If I do have the solution, I will be more than going and say yes, we can, and this is the process look like. So I'm gonna be asking some questions, and we're gonna have a nice and honest chat between you and me. I'm not trying to sell anything at this point. We're just trying to know each other a bit more. And from my point is, I need to understand your project, your goals. From there, we can set up and come up with a game plan. If you say, Freddy, if we ended up saying that we are in the same place, for example, you say, Freddy, this is my goal, this is my dream, this is what I need, this is my challenge, this is my goals, and this is what I need to accomplish when the kitchen is done. And this is the timeline. If everything aligns, I will be able to share ballpark pricing with you. Say something like this, or the families have invested between this and that. If you say, Freddy, okay, I like it, let's move forward, what's the next steps? Or if you say, Freddy, it's more than what I want to spend, then we can come up with different options. If you say, Freddy, let's move forward, it's a little more what I want to spend, but I want to see why. I love those questions. If that's the case, I'll come to you, we'll set up an appointment, we'll come to your home, and in your home I'm going to do a deeper analysis. I'm going to go through entire home to understand, especially when we're going to work, right? Understand exactly what's your needs, how we're going to accomplish what you're hoping to get, also to really see if any potential surprises can happen or can affect us during the renovation. So that's super important to understand and avoid those situations. Once I'm there, I'm gonna also ask questions again to understand more and deeper. I'm gonna see some inspirations, pictures, and also I'm gonna take dimensions. Also at this point, for me, it's good to meet the significant other who is going to make decisions, selections, and choose the constructor. My goal is to understand how can I make this process easy, and also what we need to make accomplish what we need to accomplish. So with all that information, what's important for you, what is your expectation with the constructor, timelines, everything on pictures, come back to my office, sit down, my superhero Haiti. We're gonna sit down and break it down the entire project for you. For example, we're gonna put it according to the pictures, according to the past project, with the information we have. This kitchen's demolition, how long it's gonna take? Do we need permits for that? How much something like that has cost in the past? How much time is needed to do all that? So we're gonna be able to break it down everything in pieces. Permit application, how much it's gonna cost? Demolition, what's gonna cost? What's gonna be involved? Also gonna put a picture for all the houses when similar years were built, so you get to know what's behind the walls and you get to know what to find. So all of those information will help us to put the right customized budget for your project. We're gonna break down everything to you. Once we break down everything, you will understand the plumbing, electric, how much it costs, what's involved, you understand the scope of work. At this point, even you can take this and build it yourself, and this is for you to keep. We do all of this, if it will be a kitchen remodeling, for only $250. We'll give the full analysis, a full detailed budget with all your visions, with needs, layouts, kitchen selections, complete information, and with a 2D plan, so you get to keep. But only for $250, that's nothing. What the impression you get. Now, if you want to compare prices at this point, you can just compare apples to apples. This is for you to keep. You're gonna give you full-time access for our portal. You get to come in, get information, go out, use this to build with somebody else, whatever it is. But we get to give you all that information. You say, Freddy, I love this. I like it, which I see a lot of clients say that. I love this. You are super transparent, and I love that. Let's move forward. What's the next steps? Next step from here is renders. Once we have the final budget, you're okay with the numbers spent, we understand your needs, we reviewed some of those numbers, some of the selections, we go and put this in 3D picture the way you can imagine what's going to look like. For example, right here, this is not built yet. This is just a render, but it's going to look what we're going to be building in a space. For example, it's going to be bench, custom bench, color of the cabinets, like a week. You get to see all the lights, like everything right here. The goal for us, for you to final picture the final product, because we don't want to build the wrong thing for you. Next one, this is the pictures. So we're gonna basically render the entire project for you. It's gonna be like what's gonna look like when it's done and finished. So now you wanna see more deeper render, I'm gonna just bring it to you some of my coolest render. We are working on the project right now. So let me just kind of go out from, you know what, let me just, I think I can go, alright, let me just go right here. Another kitchen project. Look at that, it's very beautiful, don't you think? Beautiful kitchen. We are building this right now, but this is a render. So that way you get to see what you're gonna be your final kitchen look like. Now you get to see more cool things. I'm gonna show it to you. You know, it's gonna take a little long for me to find, but this is what it looks like. This is what's gonna happen. I'm going to be able to walk through the entire project, the entire process, for you to make the right decision, and you know what's gonna look like. We'll send some organization, yes we do, because we want to inform you. We want to give that information. From this point, at this point, even though you say, Freddy, I like the design, I'm gonna use somebody to build it, no problem. To build a render design process is only $1,500 to $2,000. That's it, and you get to keep that also. You want have somebody else to build it if you want to. But at this point, most people say, "Very, I like it, I love it. Let's make it happen." So this is what's gonna happen. If you here choose us to do the work, if you decide to choose from here for us to do the work, let me see if I can share that with you. When we have this, we get to choose to work. We can have a deadlines. We wanna understand where you want to finish this project. For example, let's see in 4 months, and a project like this takes 2 months. So that means we got to put the permit 20 days before the 2 months to start on 20 days. So basically we back engineer the dead end all the way where we have to order everything, and you're gonna have a document from us saying that this is the process to build. We get to order the window. If we need windows 8 weeks, we need to order the windows by this date to get by this date. That way everything's organized. So we're gonna put a full plan from start to finish, since the day we start until we really want to get done. All of that happens if you say, Freddy, let's move forward. I'm gonna build for you if you want to move that road. But at this point, you got this. You got this information if you don't want to use us, but if you want to use us, the next point will be awesome. So thanks so much for filling up the form. I would love to meet you, and hopefully I can bring some value to you. Thanks so much.